shoes are like this.
Hey, Glenn. Hey, Glenn. Chill out. Chill out.
Mommy.
I would just like to share. I told Matt that was
Oh, cool. Just Dance Greatest Hit.
There you go. There's your receipt if you don't want that.
I want it.
Not at your age. Oh, no.
I think it's the same trick we did on Tim.
Oh, no.
Why would I do that?
Poppy, what do you think?
Because.
How was that push-up wrong?
I'm not that on
Oh, no.
I'm not that on
It's a stick track that
no.
I saw him with.
Wait, stop.
Stop. What's on the back?
Granny, you have a headache?
Go.
Mischief Manage.
Go!
Go. It's from Harry
Go!
Potter.
Stop!
Go. Just open it.
Oh.
Disney Infinity.
Sweet. Wow.
I saw him with so good. That's.
Let me see who it's from. Oh boy.
And actually done cool.
Here.
Yeah.
Nice. I wonder what that's for.
All right, lady. That lasted less than a minute. It is for lady. Okay, let's see. Lady got a present.
Like, I'm just taking it with the wrapping on. She didn't even try and get it out.
What you got, lady?
Look at her. Still
To open it.
It's like, I don't care if I have to open it. Look at her. Should I go help her?
No, she's got it.
Oh, wow, good girl. You're silly.
Come here.
She doesn't want to unwrap it. I'm getting mine first.
It won't call.
Whoop. Keep those in mind. I'll get mommy's.
I got mommy's.
Okay, I'll get.
Whoa.
Here's two things that fell out of your stocking.
I think lady's opening a present.
Lily, you got it.
There's a card there too in the tree, Claire.
Why'd you put it on the tree?
Oh, sorry. Oh, lady, what do you have?
You want me to put snot in them, Claire? Claire, can you hold
I
it?
don't want to be in the way.
Lady, what do you have?
Let me find all my presents and put
Oh,
them
Elsa,
in.
no.
Oh yeah, we
What do
do
you put?
stockings.
What do you
That's so cool.
It is.
Camping at Colonial Woods. Devin!
You got me mid-sneeze.
Maybe you're just being silly.
Be back on Cape Cod. That's the picture of Mom's bag. Look at me, Dad. Ice cream. Outdoor fun. You can barely tell what it says. Wreckers. Sparky. Playing inside.
The dog with her head in the bag.
Wait, what? Oh, that's me and Ariel and Marilla. You can barely see Marilla. Wait, where's that? Oh wait, that's at Sarah Sam's. I think.
Yeah.
Fifth grade. Thanksgiving. Mom. Ah! Broken arm. She had the extra of your arm in there. Another headbands!
For family game night.
Headbands!
That's a lot of Christmas.
Yeah, I got a new doll with toes!
Doll with toes.
And lady can't get it.
You want to go out for the snowball fight?